Hold on, I can invite you if you want.
Yeah, I don't know how to invite people.
You basically just
Shut up!
Alright,
What am I? Oh, then what are you?
a gay trucker.
That's not a trucker.
Oh, don't be a furry. I will beat your ass extra if you're. Oh my god, kill yourself.
Oh,
I
why
hate
is
this
it the
map. You're gonna
billboard?
kick my ass. Cause I just always fall off. Like
Why is
whenever
my
I'm in
ping
like.
so high, dude? I can't crank 90s with this ping.
Basically, your PS5 wants you to kill yourself.
How are you?
That's
How do you
what.
climb? How do you climb? How do you?
Oh wow, I knocked my. We
How do you
basically
climb?
just dog shit.
How do you climb? How do you climb?
Backflip.
How do you backflip? What? Okay. Oh my god.
Get this gate. Oh my god. You built like a bisexual panda named Ashton. Get your ass out of here.
You built like an India cricket named Patel.
Shit. I'm retarded. Come here.
No.
I know you.
No, 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 no.
For real, boy. Come here. Get your fucking winky dinky fingers off me.
No.
Come here, boy. Oh.
Get out. No.
That wasn't very tately of you.
That wasn't a commentator. What do you do?
You
No,
don't-
no. There's no way.
Get your.
How did I? Okay. Get out of here.
Don't make me drown
No,
your
stop.
ass.
Stop. You know what? We're going to go see the burgers. Okay.
Oh my
What
god, I
did you
just cheeto rolled your ass.
Get out of here. You know what, sir? We gotta escort you. We gotta get you out of the park. No.
Oh, you fucking tard.
I'm holding on to you.
Get your bum ass off me, you little freeloader. Ah! Let go.
I'm not letting go.
Help.
No.
Fuck you, basically. You just drowned. Come here.
Oh.
That was violent. That was violent.
Oh no. Come here.
You
No. No.
You make it fuck, bro.
Oh. Come here.
Get
Wait.
out of here, Andrew Johnson.
No, 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 get out. Oh,
What?
get
That
it.
kick was
No, wait.
I grabbed your weenie for dear life.
Get out of
It's a
here.
small target.
Get out of here. Oh, no. I'm grabbing the wrong things.
Oh, no!
Yeah. Yeah. Panda Man.
I accidentally unplugged my TV and then my dad heard you scream. No, I unplugged my headphone.
Wait, did he hear me say Panda Man?
No.
Oh.
No, I got it back in before you said that.
Panda Man.
I'll go to the bottom. Go to the bottom, I dare you. And just like stay there for like 3 seconds.
Wait, what does it
Nothing
do?
will happen. Nothing will happen. No, go all the way. All the way.
I'm at the bottom.
Alright.
Oh no 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 no!
You retard. Ooh.
No! This isn't fair.
You can switch your camera angle using the D-pad.
No!
Yeah, you're dead.
No, I'm not. I'm not
I
dead.
basically just insta-killed you.
I'm not dead.
You're gonna drown.
I'm not dead.
So, you're gonna like slip and keep dying repetitive. Here, I'll help you out. Let me try to get the tank down there.
How do I switch my camera angle? Oh! What are you doing?
Not kidding,
What
that's
was that? What was that, sir?
This-
You look like.
this
Wait,
has turned
can you
red.
do the moonwalk? Can you do a moonwalk like Shaman?
Get up here, you're gonna die. Get up here.
Am
You
I actually?
have to.
No, wait,
Yes,
don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. No. No.
Alright, okay, look, the cars are about to break off. Like, hold on, give it a second. They're gonna break off. Hold on, wait for it. Wait for it. Why is my ping 110?
I'm trying to. Hey! No! I was trying to switch my camera angle so I could see the train.
In the gay corner is It's Wavesy.
Okay,
Sorry,
that's not my name.
Perky.
Yeah.
That's Perky.
Yeah!
In this corner, blazing homosexual.
Why are you stripping? Why are you? Why are you?
Come here, boy.
Fuck you.
Yeah!
Next
Lucha
time,
Panda.
I'm gonna slap your man titties. Like, come here, bro.
Luchacha Panda.
Basically, you're dog shit. I said I would slap around your man titties, and that's what I
Listen, that's mean. That is mean.
did. I'm sorry, I'm being inconsiderate. I slapped around your woman titties.
There you go, that's better. Oh, yeah, get out of here. Yeah, get out of here. Get in the Adderall. I mean, not the Adderall, the Benadryl. Get in the Benadryl.
Pepto-Bismol. You dumbass.
Oh.
Dumbass boy.
What was that? Yeah, get out of here. We're going. No. Why are you doing the little WWE moves? Get in there. Die.
Kill yourself.
This is. Oh no.
Come here, boy.
Yeah, get out.
You're just constant. Oh, you just raped me.
No. Get out. No. Why are you? Today, just because it's hump day. Oh.
Oh yeah, you're right. It's Wednesday.
Stop. No. Get out.
Just because that was a good joke. That was good.
Shut up.
Basically,
Just because you
being
carried my
ass.
last video.
Oh.
Get
Wow.
out.
You raped me and man. No. Wake up. Ah.
Yeah. Wait, I want
What?
I want the cone.
Oh wow, you just judo rolled me. Oh god, I'm getting beat.
Oh my god. Get out of here.
That
Oh,
was wild.
I'm lagging. I can't crank 90s.
Cranking 90s and
What
games.
are we doing?
Pop a truck jack.
Oh my god.
Shut up, you South Korean rapist. Come here.
No.
You tard.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck. Bye.
No.
You're gonna die.
No, I'm not gonna
You're
die.
gonna
I'm not gonna die. Give me a
Look at
chance.
me.
No,
Oh,
I'm
I
not
knocked
dead.
myself out.
I'm not dead.
I knocked myself out. Wake up, wake up. Oh,
Okay,
wow.
now I'm dead. How did you die?
Me dead. I got knocked in too.
That was over. Stop. Oh my god. What is wrong with my tail?
I'm gonna
Get out of
fucking... Oh my
Yeah,
god.
get him
that was
rocked.
me.
Get rocked. Yeah, get rocked. We got Panda Man versus Indian Man.
This man.
We got Panda Man versus Indian Man.
Dropped. Oh, okay.
Get the hot dog.
Furry. You want me to sweat? Come here, come here.
You're sweating?
What? You bet me over
Can I pick up the
meat. That's
glizzy?
gay. You're
No.
gay.
Wait, isn't there like a zombies mode to this? Oh.
No, well, kind of, but it's like it only has 4 rounds. It's like homosexual.
Homosexual fruit. No, get down. Oh my god! Yeah, I'm the champ.
Come here, little boy.
Get down. What are
I want to
you-
grab your nipples.
Get down.
That really hurt my feelings and my head.
Oh my god.
Shut up. Die.
Die.
Go down.
No. No, please wake up. Wake up.
Get up. No. Come on, bro. Get over the metal bars, you tard.
Oh, you can't get me up here.
Oh, yeah. I
Oh,
can
you're
get you.
climbing. Stop grabbing me.
Ah.
Get off of me. You're still hanging. You're like a ninja go, dude.
Ninja go. It's not
Ninja go.
Ninjago, bro.
Yeah, not Ninjago. Oh yeah.
Edward,
Yes,
no.
yes, no. Pick. Get off.
You're throwing so hard. You actually threw so hard that I'm punching your balls. Come here.
I gotta make it a draw. I gotta make it a draw.
You penis muncher.
No, 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 no.
No, come here. Let me rape you. Oh my god, that was the meanest bot. No, come on, fans. Get off.
We're making this a draw.
Fuck, man. Oh, I'm breakdancing right now. Come here.
Oh, you're stripping. Oh, dude, I'd pay good money.
I can't get her. Oh.
Oh my god, he grabbed you. No, 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 no.
I just need to fight. I need to fight.
Yes,
You knocked me
yes,
out. I'm dying.
yes,
I'm dying.
no.
I'm dying. There's no way I survive this. I'm dead. Yeah.
no, dude, I'm stuck.
I'm dead.
Yeah, yes. No, I hate this map. I hate this map.
I like this map.
Come here.
Back your ass up. Come here, boy.
Don't jump on the stone. Yes! Yes! That was so easy. You're easy work. Easy work.
You made it look like I killed myself.
Easy work.